Toyota just put up more pictures about the brand new Toyota Tacoma, so let's go over them now. I've had this date marked on my calendar for quite some time now, and I woke up and the post had already been live for a couple hours. I missed it. I missed the grand reveal, but nonetheless, there's 4 pictures that most people haven't seen, so let's talk about them. The very first picture says a lot about this new generation Toyota Tacoma. So straight off the bat, I don't know how people feel about this. Me personally, I'm really happy about it, but it is going to be a mini Tundra. You can see how squared off and sharp it is. I think it looks absolutely fascinating. And not only that, one thing that I really like about this next generation Tacoma is the TRD Pro badging. Really like how the Tacomas look debadged with nothing on the side, and then just seeing that TRD Pro badge on the rear, it's so good. Next up, I think this is something that we all were debating and we kind of knew it was true, but we weren't 100% sure. The IFORCE Max powertrain. I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't know how much power or torque it's gonna have, but we know that it's gonna be there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna do it the same way they do in the Tundras. I think it's going to be only available in the Pro and probably the Limited. I think it would be best to only have it in a TRD Pro and then the Limited. The Limited because some people are more classy, they like a more civilized truck. What separates a TRD Pro and a TRD Off-Road right now is interior seats and a hood scoop. But in the next generation Tacoma, if you see a hybrid and then you see a non-hybrid, that makes a difference, a powertrain difference. That's something you see across all vehicle makers, which I think would be good. One of the things that I'm realizing, it looks like it has 2 cameras on the back of the truck. Or am I crazy? I don't know why. It looks like it does though. Now let's talk about the 4 pictures that I've seen that not a lot of people have seen. These seal the deal. Let's start up front. The front is absolutely iconic and will go down as one of the nicest looking front ends on the Toyota Tacoma. The light bar, the headlights, everything looks so clean. I just really hope that they don't mess it up with the fog lights. I'm not a fan of the Toyota Tundra fog lights, but we will see what happens with the Tacoma. Now for the side view. The side view is absolutely where my pockets start draining. Now, the Tacoma, I've always liked how mean and aggressive it looks. It looks very wide, very thick, very like mean. And that next one looks even more aggressive, even thicker, even more mean. The fenders look super wide, but they're squared off at the same time. It is just a very good looking truck. That's even more scary because usually things don't look as good as they do in pictures, but once you see them in person, then that seals the deal. But right now it looks amazing in pictures. I can only imagine it looking better in person. Looking at the Tacoma from the rear, it is going to have its exhaust on this side. On this Tacoma it has it on the other side, but on the new Tundra it has it on this side. So I'm assuming that that's going to be just because of the new platform that they're on and trying to get everything in unison. I don't mind. Some people didn't like it. I personally couldn't care. The taillights, we've already seen them. Very nice looking taillights. As you guys can see on my taillights though, they're more rounded out, they're more classic. It's what we've seen for the past 30 years. With the new Toyota Tacoma, it's taking a step into the future and making it look very futuristic. I like it. Now let's talk about the hood. The hood has me a little bit upset, okay? The hood has me a little bit hurt. It doesn't look that crazy. It looks just like a regular hood. It has a little bit of a bulge on this side and a little bit on that side. It doesn't look like it's going to be anything very masculine, very aggressive. In person, the new TRD Pro Tundras and the Sequoias look very aggressive. So it may just be that I need to see it in person. If you don't like the hood scoop, then by all means, this is probably going to be your cup of tea. But I like that hood scoop. I want it. I miss it. I probably will get one off Amazon and just glue it onto mine. Those are all the pictures that we have for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Anything and everything that comes about the new Toyota Tacoma, I will be posting on this channel. Thank you.